Dear taxpayer, we thank you for being part of nation building. The year 2020 has been a year of distress. So let's start 2021 afresh, leaving behind all your worries. To fulfill the dream of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Income Tax Department has brought something new to relieve businessmen from litigation burden. Yes, to relieve you from huge legal costs that you pay every year, from cost towards payment of interest on principal amount, from cost towards payment of penalty, and from prosecution under any provision of Income Tax Act. When you file your income tax return, then there are various transactions like long term capital gain, purchase, sale, loan, deposit, and many other things. There may be certain transactions where proof in respect of transaction is missing. There might be some transaction which is inconsistent with the income tax provision, or there might be some interpretation of income tax laws, acts where you might be wrong. In any of such case, assessing officer disallow your claim and make additional tax amount payable by you. After assessing officer has created a tax demand payable, and if you don't agree, you go to Honorable Commissioner of Income Tax appeal. Then, if appeal is not decided in favor of either assessee or revenue, the case goes to Honorable ITAT, then to High Court, and then to Supreme Court. You pay huge litigation cost, and during this long process, this drains your huge amount of money and energy along with peace of mind. Suppose during financial year 2006-7, your income tax return has undergone scrutiny by Income Tax Department, and during that financial year 6-7, there were addition where disputed principal amount of tax was 36 lakhs 19,000. Now, once the demand has been created, and if you not had paid the demand, then Income Tax Department also levy interest which is minimum at the rate of 12% per year. So today it is 2021 and the fate of this case has not been finalized. So here we can see the principal amount of disputed tax is still 36 lakhs, but interest has accrued to the tune of 80 lakhs. So in the total payable amount of 1 crore 16 lakh 34,000, principal amount of tax forms only 31% of total demand. Also, if tax demand raised by income tax authority is confirmed in favor of revenue at any level of honorable CIT appeal, ITAT, High Court or Supreme Court, then there is immediate levy of penalty by the income tax department which is up to 100% to 300% of principal amount of disputed tax. Along with this, there can be prosecution under Income Tax Act to mislead the revenue. So what you are paying from year 2006 to 2020. There is principal amount of disputed tax that is 36 lakhs. There is accrued interest of 80 lakhs and penalty if calculated at 100% that is lowest rate then it is 36 lakhs along with prosecution to mislead the revenue. So to wipe out all these challenges, all these problems from your life, Income Tax Department has framed Direct Tax Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. Here, it is said that you have to pay only the principal amount of disputed tax, that is 36 lakhs, and you have to forget about the interest, penalty, prosecution, and you save on further litigation cost also. And also, if Income Tax Department has made you to pay more than the disputed principal amount by way of adjusting your refunds for further years, then the excess payment will be refunded under this scheme. So in case of disputed tax, if appeal has been filed by SEC, then 100% of principal amount of tax has to be paid. If income tax department is in appeal, then 50% of principal amount of disputed tax has to be paid. And if appeal is independent for disputed penalty, interest, fee, such as there is penalty for non-performance of tax audit, penalty under section 269 SS for acceptance of loan in cash above 20,000. By coming under this scheme of Vivad Se Vishwas, you have to pay only 25% of the disputed amount in penalty, interest, fee, and prosecution will not be initiated in your case. Now, who is eligible for this scheme? Those who have filed appeals or writ on or before 31st January 2020 and it is pending before Honorable CIT Appeal, ITAT, High Court, Supreme Court, or order against which due date for filing appeal has not expired as on 31st January 2020, or cases pending before dispute resolution panel as on 31st January 2020, or cases where dispute resolution panel has issued direction on or before 31st January 2020 but no order has been passed. Further, cases where SSC has filed revision under section 264 on or before 31st January 2020, and such cases if the disputed demand is less than 5 crore for a particular financial year. To take benefit of scheme, you have to file DTVSB form, that is Direct Tax Vivad Se Vishwas form, through e-filing portal before 31st December 2020. When you go to your e-filing account, you can find on the extreme right Vivad Se Vishwas drop-down menu, where in the first row you are given prepare and submit DTVSB form. Now, if you want to have further clarification about the scheme, or you want to know what is the disputed amount of tax that you have to pay for the scheme, you can contact your jurisdictional assessing officer. To find your jurisdictional assessing officer, go to e-filing, then to profile setting. There in my profile, you have to choose PAN detail, and in the PAN detail, in the extreme downward, you will find ITO Ward 21 Dhanbad as jurisdiction in this case. So, once jurisdiction has been known like ITO Ward 21 Dhanbad, then the email ID will be starting with the name of place like Dhanbad dot, then the name of officer, that is ITO, and then it is 21, so 2.1 at the rate incometax.gov.in. Similarly, if jurisdiction is DCIT Circle 22-1 Mumbai, then email will be mumbai.tcit22.1 at the rate incometax.gov.in. So ask your jurisdictional officer about how much disputed tax amount you will have to pay for this Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. Litigation is a costly affair. It takes your money, time and energies on non-productive work. This affects your health and divert your concentration to non-productive work of defending yourself rather than focusing on your wealth generation. So this is a golden opportunity to settle your tax dispute with the income tax department with various benefits by 31st December 2020. Do not wait for last moment. Take a step to take benefit for a scheme as early as possible. Once disputes are settled, you can peacefully focus on wealth creation in your business and profession. Thank you.